Today we're going to be going over Suzume's customer service and warranty experience I had, and that's coming up next here on Jesse Be Here. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. So this video is about my customer service and warranty experience with Suzume ratchet wrenches. Suzume did send these out to the channel, and I did have an issue with it, which I show you guys all the time. If I have an issue with a tool, I bring it to you guys in a video. So this is going to be my customer service and warranty experience with them. Now, first off, like I said, they did send this out to the channel. So take that with a grain of salt. They could have done this because they know I'm a YouTuber, or is this how they are going to handle every situation? I don't know. But what I am going to tell you is I lost the email, so I lost my contact with this company that sent me to these. So what I did was I was on Instagram, and I saw they posted on Instagram, so I just sent them a message on Instagram. I said, hey, I got an 11 millimeter that I broke working on a car. I was like, do these have any kind of warranty on them? And they said, yes, they do. So they got my info, and lo and behold, they did send out a new one. They wanted to make sure what size it was and everything, so I sent them a picture of it because they asked for a picture. And then a few days later, I got a brand new one. So to me, kudos on them. They did replace it. Now, like I said, did they replace it because I'm a YouTuber? I don't know. You guys are going to have to figure that out for yourself. I'm just talking about my experience on this with what they did. So now what I want to do is just do a little demonstration here with the new one to make sure it's going to work. Now for a demonstration, I just got a piece of wood here with a screw that has a nut the same size on it. And what I want to do is loosen this. I just want to make sure this new one's going to work. You can hear it. Don't sound too bad. You can see, took it out with no problem. Put this back in. Now while I'm putting this back in, how I broke this was I was changing calipers on my daughter's car, and I was putting the banjo bolt on for the brake hose. The banjo bolt. A banjo bolt does not have a lot of torque when tightening, and this failed on me. So like you guys just saw, it is working perfectly fine. Let you guys listen to it. That sounds nice and smooth. Now I got the old one here. Okay, that's loosening. Hear how crunchy it is? And then when I put pressure on it, I don't know if it'll do it on this because it's a block of wood, but it was just locking up and skipping. Watch this. Gives out right there. Oh, there was a good crunch. It popped off, but I don't think I'm going to get it any tighter than that on here. But just so you guys can hear, a lot more crunchy on it. And of course, doing it this way, it's not going to lock up or anything. But then after it locks up, then it'll just free spin. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys a demonstration of that in the video. So I'll leave a card up above of my original video for you guys to check that out. So what's my final thoughts of their customer service? Customer service was good. Like I said, though, I don't know if they did it because I'm a YouTuber or not. That I couldn't tell you. But they said they will take care of everybody. All you'll need to do is send them a picture, and then they'll send you out the part. That I do like. Now, what don't I like about that? I had to wait. To me, if you're going to spend that kind of money, you might as well go to Harbor Freight and buy the Pittsburgh one. But there's a catch with the Pittsburgh one too. The Suzumes have no skips, the Pittsburgh's ones do. So what I want to hear from you guys is, leave a comment down below. Would you give these guys kudos? Or would you say, no, that's a little bit crazy because it shouldn't strip out on the banjo bolt? I mean, if I come across where I do need these wrenches, I will keep using them. But I got other wrenches that are a little bit better than these, like my Capri ratchet wrenches. I would rather grab those or my gear wrench. But for a budget price, I would say this. I'm going to probably say, because I use the bigger ones too, the bigger ones I didn't have an issue with, just the small ones. So I think if you use the higher up number ones, you might be all right. But I'm just bringing you my experience. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes for you guys to save money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.